Hey guys, welcome to part 2. We're going to look at the exposed states of the uploader. This is the fun stuff. This is the whole point of making this uploader. Alright, so let's put down a text. Let's say you want to display the file names somewhere once you've uploaded the files to the browser. So all we need to do is insert our dynamic data and do better. For me it's advanced uploader, but it's going to be called better uploader for you. Let's actually change the name. Better uploader. Better uploader is file name. Okay. So I'm going to start by uploading one file just to show you guys. It'll just show as one string. Alright. Now let's refresh. Let's add 4. As you can see, it shows all of the names and they're comma delimited. Comma delimited means they're separated by commas. If you want to only display one of the names, you're going to have to mess around with Bubble's functions. So I'll give you an example. These functions here, capitalized words, uppercase, lowercase, formatted as, these are the things that you're going to need to use to separate those. But I think for most cases it's fine. Alright, the next thing we're going to look at this video is how to reset the data inside of the uploader. So the first step that we need to do is put all of this into a group elements in a group. Alright, so now that all of this is in the same group, let's add another button called reset. And the workflow required is data. No, it is element actions, and under group we have reset data. And gotta name that group so we can find it. Group uploader. Okay. Group uploader. There you go. So let's take a look at that. Let's give it some files. Reset. Voila. It erases all of the states. They go back to 0. Alright. And I think we have enough time for one more state. So let's add another text. I'll just copy this actually. Boom. Okay, and for this text, it's going to be the raw progress, not the uploading progress, just the raw progress. Because this progress is for the time it takes to upload these directly to the browser. So that's 100. You can add a little percentage after that. Now, let's add another text. Okay. And it's going to be the uploading progress. You guys probably imagine what it's going to do, but let's just do it regardless. Let's click send. 33, 66, 100. It's done. Just to let you guys know, if you upload only one file, it'll go to 100 right away, and if you click send, it'll go to 100 right away. And only the percentage is only really useful for knowing when it's done for one file, or for knowing the progress of how many files have been uploaded. So it's not super useful if you have only one file, but it will tell you when it completes, but it won't tell you like 20%, 40%, 60% only for one file. It only does that for multiple files. And I'll see you guys in the next video.